Great. Very warm welcome, everyone. Today I have a star with me called Varadarajalu Durairaj, and he has managed to crack already in week three itself 9 students in his beta launch phase. So let's hear from him all about his achievement. So very warm welcome, first of all, Durairaj.
Thank you, Ria.
Just wanted to know a little bit about your background. If you could just tell us in brief before doing this whole online coaching thing, what exactly were you into?
Actually, basically, I was a diploma engineer in electronics and communication. So later, I started my career in cement industry. So I worked in cement industry only for the past 40 years, and step by step, I reached up to a general manager. From trainee to general manager in this 40 years journey, and I have done different cement project. I worked in Ultratech Group and I worked in Chettinad Group. Those two are major groups I worked. And I felt very happy that from scratch, there is nothing from, we used to call it as a green field. Nothing will be there, only ground will be there. Then after 2 years, if you see, a big cement plant will be there. So 4 or 5 project I worked. Once I landed, and then after completion of that project, if you see, then you feel happy. So whatever you work, hard work, day and night we used to work without dinner, without sleep also we will work. But after completion of near 1.5 year to 2 year, when the production is coming out, so everything will go off. Like that again, this is the second innings, what I can say. So at the end of 60 years, I got retired. So actually, last July, I got retired. So then I settled in my hometown at Bangalore. But I am myself born and brought up in Chennai, basically a Telugu family. But I worked throughout India, in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and North India, Madhya Pradesh, etc. So finally, I settled in Bangalore only. Then whenever even I never sit idle. I never sit idle in even in my job. Even Sundays also at home, I will never sit idle. Something I will do, repairing small repairs in the house, or I will take housekeeping in the house, cleaning this and that thing. So I never keep myself idle. So then I thought what to do, what to do. So just while going on Facebook and discussing with my friends, so I saw a few ads regarding a webinar. So one is first ad I saw conducted by Vidya Vikram, Skills on Biz. So I registered to see the webinar. So first time I saw her webinar, it was very nice, and how the children liked my demo class and joined, like that I thought. But again, I saw some more webinars also there. So I plan to attend those webinars also. So I attend 2-3 webinars regarding Vedic Max conducted by different people. But however, I felt Vidya Vikram's skills on biz, what the way of teaching was very nice. And I understood, okay, let us learn as a hobby, to spend some time. So for the past 3 months, I learned from that group, from that madam, online only, video coachings only. So I do fast, very fast. I completed. Even in question and answer session also, I asked that. She told, no, this is designs for children. So you may be expecting more. Of course, I was expecting more, because in real sense, I want to learn all Vedic sutras, how the sutras converted and applied in Max. But from her course, I got much. Again, one more course I joined, Mr. Dawal Bhatia's course. That also I learned, and 2 more courses. Totally 4 courses I joined. Within this 4-month span, I learned much more things. I felt, okay, I have done such a R&D. So different people are teaching different things. Some people are not at all talking about Vedic sutras. Simply they are teaching the max fast, how to do fast with the steps. And one guy is telling each and every max problem is explaining sutra based. So together I learned a lot from different people. So then I thought one day, so they are teaching online, why can't we teach? So even Vidya Vikram's course is telling the same, career growth only. So I thought, why can't we teach? So I'm interested to teach children. Basically, I'm interested in maths also. I'm the 100% mark scorer in
Wow.
school time. So this Vedic maths impressed me. I learned a lot and it was amazing. Even if you see, if you go 1 or 2 sessions, you will feel very amazing. So then I thought, okay, let us start online. But offline we can start. Online, I don't know. But I know about the meeting. I have attended the meeting. So we can teach online. That much I know through Zoom meeting, live classes. This much I know. But then later stage, I planned how to launch on online. What are the things to do? Because later also I saw so many advertisement in Instagram, Facebook, everything. So when I'm clicking, it is going to next page and they are giving more. So how to get those things? I don't know. I have no idea. Then one fine day again, same thing happened. So I gone through your this thing ad and I connected to that and I saw there are so many things. That means the title itself I attracted. Online coaching secrets. So, so then I impressed. Immediately the same day I joined in your course also. Then immediately I started learning your videos. But first week I completed within 3 days. I was waiting. A little bit I learned. Then second week onwards, you started a niche selection, everything, and no brain offer. So niche already I selected. However, I want to teach Vedic maths only. So selecting news is important for the new person, those who are not at all having any idea. But I am having an idea to teach Vedic maths only. Then, but your inputs helped me to select the course title and no brain offer and how to attract the people, how to be in presence in the field. So then I started giving only in WhatsApp group because I don't know in Facebook how to post the ad. I don't know to post the ad or movie in Instagram also, in channel also. I can work in PowerPoint. I will convert in JPG, whatever it may be, then I can post it. So one day when I am doing all these things, my son also joined with me. He told, Papa, why you are doing on PowerPoint? That is very old system. There are so many things. So he guided some of the things. At the same time, and that the second week, you also given some inputs like Canva, Krella. So that then I tried, even free version also I tried. So I'm interested in drawings, PowerPoint presentation, everything. So I conducted so many training classes also during my service, behavioral training, technical training also. So I can better doing a PowerPoint presentation. So I thought, okay, this is the way. So one fine day, I started Facebook page and everything. But in my Facebook, there are around 200 to 300 friends are there. I posted in Facebook also. Everybody appreciated me. Okay, start everything. But no one is shown the interest to join. Then one Sunday, I thought that, okay, let us put on Facebook all the groups. So many groups I'm having. I'm doing social service also. So there are 2 groups of social service. I worked in 3-4 cement plants. So those plants made a group and we are continuing till 2007 group also there. So I posted all those groups and some of the important friends, those who believe me, nearest friends also. Then by the same time, I learned to create the form from my son to get the reply. I saw your forms also. So how to create? Then I asked my son, he created and given to me. So I sent the link. So immediately on that Sunday, within hour, I got some 10 entries and 15 entries like that. So I wondered, this Facebook ad, nothing, Facebook post only giving this much input. So then by the night, I saw there is 20 entries. So in Monday itself. So I planned the demo class on Thursday. So then I started, oh my God, 20-25 people, if comes, I have to prepare very strongly. Next to 2 days, I sit to compile all my presentations, all my inputs in a form of presentation, simple presentation only. So I made, I understood, I saw the webinars, 3-4 webinars. I followed them. First, they introducing about Vedic Max and introducing their self, and they are showing some examples, telling some sutras. Finally, they are coming about their course and selling price and everything, bonus, gift, everything, sort of. So I prepared such a way. Almost it was 1 hour PowerPoint. If I explained clearly all the examples, then if you see next day still inputs are coming, registrations are coming. Even I put 18th is the last day. 19th also someone contacted in the mail and asked me, shall I told, okay, register it. And some of the friends asked me, my friend is interested what you are telling. No, I asked you, give the link of registration, let them join. Even 20th morning also, if people are joining, around 62 entries I received. So, but I don't know, I have to separate them in different groups. But the first time that idea, it was not struck in my mind. So I started a Zoom meeting, I scheduled and given the link, people also started. But Zoom meeting is only 40 minutes, So after 40 minutes, it was disconnected, logged out. So I logged in, and some of the people are not logged in again. So around 30 people logged in again, second session, say part 2. Then again, I continued and explaining the examples. So many people are also liked it. Again, it came break. I don't know, even within 30 minutes, they logged off, Zoom people itself. Then my son told, if you are using a call with so many people, the time duration may come less. These are the things they automatically do. So then in second session, I completed about my offer only. Even I had not given the bank account detail or payment detail also. In third session, I given my detail, and immediately 3 people joined immediately within that completion of demo class. Then later by night, I saw 2 more people asked me how to do, what to do, how the payment I had to do. So then they also paid. So by night itself, I got 5 sales. All are in our apartment itself, 2 people. One of the surrounding one guy, and one from Hyderabad, one from Tamil Nadu. Like that, 5 students I got. Okay, I decided, okay, we have to teach online live classes for these 5 students, because I don't know the platform to post the courses and to take the video, all those things. Then in the 4th week, you started the things I learned to start an Zenler also. So in 3rd week itself, I created my domain with my help of my son. And then I gone through Zenler also. But I have so many doubts in the Zenler because I have not at all used. That's the first time I'm using as a host in one of the platform. So then I want to wait, because you told you will be teaching later, Zenler, even Facebook ad, everything. So in the 4th book, I got more input also. So little bit I got faith on me, so confident on me. So I can launch online also. I can post the course online also. So by the same time, in the 4th week, Thursday, my demo also, okay, some little bit disturbance was there. Then I learned so many things from that. So we should not go for a big, this thing in free meetings, because that is a different thing they are maintaining. So again, I thought, okay, second we will do. And those who are joined, I taken separate WhatsApp group, separate mail group. And I informed yesterday, I conducted a kickoff meeting also. So then within those 3-4 days, some more friends also called me and asked how to join. I told, already I given the link, you can join. One friend told, no, I have not gone through the demo class, what to do? I told, believe me, you join, then you will get better input. So like that, some of the students, so total 4 students joined later. So total yesterday, as on yesterday morning, I received 9 students. All the fee I received. So then yesterday morning also, again, I saw my presentation. I have taken a rehearsal, because this is the first online direct to children. Children won't be taken seriously, even though if their parents sitting aside and see my presentation also, they have to get impression. So like that, it went very good, because I love children. I deal with children because I conducted so many playlets, small playlets, drama, stage work, along with children only, not with adult. So that I love children. So speaking, even my wife told, you can manage the children. Your explanation, because I have taken my son and my wife itself, they two participant. I have given a demo for practice purpose. So they saw the video in the house itself in different rooms. And then they told some of the inputs, don't prolong it. You do like this, like this. So the inputs also very nice for me. So I got the family feedback also. Then yesterday evening, I started by 6. Yesterday evening, 9 students joined in the meeting also. Then again, it was disconnected after 40 minutes. I already instructed the children to again log in. Oh, they are brilliant than me. They again logged in. I also logged in. Again, 15 to 20 minutes, small puzzle I given. I explained them, and each and one I asked till they understood. I have not stopped my video. So each and everything I asked all 9. They told, uncle, very nice, sir, very nice. We enjoyed sort of. This is a small trick I taught them. And what is the secret behind the trick also I taught them. So they felt very happy. So one of the student was in Delamo not to join day before yesterday.
Okay.
Then her mother called me to speak with her. So I spoken with her. Beta, join ho jao, you will enjoy the maths. I will teach you better. Don't worry, it is not. This I convinced. So she also joined yesterday. Then after the demo class, her mother texted me, sir, Prachi is like the demo session. Now she is loving your class. She will continue. Don't worry. So sort of the things I received, and my wife also told, okay, you manage like this. Some of the friends also called me personally and told, good, is to keep it up. And some of the query now I am receiving to give the link for next demo class also.
Wow.
So I'm again planning this Friday next demo class. I want to, if I go through your video, because today I didn't gone through the video of webinar preparation. So as per your plan, I thought this week is the preparation. Next week, maybe webinar we can conduct. So I'm planning this week on Friday, again, second demo class. If they comes, that will become the second batch. So in one batch, I don't want to take more than 10 students because I want to give one-to-one attention. It's a live class. That's why. Then after this 3-4 weeks parallelly, I want to record everything. Then after learning a new genre, I want to post, and so many things still I have to learn from you. So I hope that you will help me in personally also. So because I'm not a digitalized person, because I worked in a cement industry, but because of my hobby, I joined Vedic Max, learned, and I plan to teach. At the same time, one more thing I want to tell you. Learning, I don't want to sell my learning also. I want to give free of cost also to the poor children, those who want to learn but they cannot pay. So that is second step. First, because getting this sale also, I worked a lot in Facebook. But to get the people really, those who are unable to pay, that cannot be happen in this pandemic situation.
Right.
Because my idea is to go to the school, government school. I want to ask them, those who are interested, I want to do demo also there. If those who are interested, then ask them, because they may not have internet and laptop, so much things may be there. If in such a case, I want to conduct in schools. School can arrange one laptop or one screen sort of thing. All 10 or 15 or 20 children may sit. So this is my second part of thinking. So if I succeeded, because even I'm not expecting money to earn money in this course, but even to join in website, I have to pay so much, you might be knowing, and to get good camera, good voice system, so many things are there. So I don't want to spend my pocket. So this is my trial, to get money and spend money. That's it. So this is how I was excited, very much excited. This is the story behind my startup course and launched the course.
So to me, it looks like somebody from a cement industry shifting to the world of online coaching. And it's become like a family project of what I understand, because your son is helping you
Thank
out,
you,
your wife is
thank you, Ria.
watching.
Thank you.
So
Okay,
I think it's a nice way to bond with your family as well. And I'm really happy for you. So
thank you, thank you.
at this point, I would just like to ask you, what are the top three things that you learned from this program so far? So I'm guessing it was the week 3 when you did your beta launch and you got your first 5 students, right?
No, week third, ma'am, week third.
Week 3,
End
yes.
of the week 3, I thought, and Sunday. So Monday you posted week 4. So 3 weeks I studied your material. The
So
thing
what
is
were the
that,
top 3
uh,
elements that made you successful in your beta launch?
okay. You for one thing is the tools you have given. Because I'm very pretty confident to make it suitable to this era children. Because I can do only in PowerPoint, but there are so many tools you have shown. One is Canva. So now I'm using Canva. Today also I'm sitting for the first lesson, the second demo. I'm doing now presentation, the same material, but I compiled, I removed some unwanted material. So 75% completed till now. Because of this meeting, I postponed that work. So I made 75% of the presentation in Canva for demo 2.
Okay.
So that is the tools what you have given online. That was very much useful. Then second thing is the course title. You have given one thing. From that only I given the name Turbocharge Vedic Max Challenge. The Excel file which you have given, n number of title we can take from that. Even in second batch I can give some other title. So though so many things it has helped. And then third thing is the no brain offer. I don't know. I simply typed, I'm going to conduct a Vedic Max. Please, those who are interested can join. But after gone through your no brain offer, so even I posted no brain offer. You corrected so many things so many times. So finally, what I got the no brain offer, really, I posted 3 times in Facebook and in WhatsApp. So many people appreciated and congratulated because they are old, they may not have students. They encouraged me to start. So this no brain offer and online tools, then name the course title. And second week you told the brand yourself, brand image. That one thing. After that only I sit one day along with my family. I named it at Vedic Matics. So immediately my son also liked it. Papa, immediately we have to register. You have to get the domain. Otherwise, anybody can get the domain.
Right.
So immediately we registered that domain, saved it. He only paid around 700 rupees in Geo. So we got the domain. Now, second, so many things I want to learn is some confusion I'm having. After domain, hosting, you are telling, and website. So hosting, website, domain, all those things I discussed with my son. So that's helped me. So then regarding, you told so many things, selection of niche and how to select the niche or how to select the topics. Askpeople.com. So 2-3 sites also you given the reference. So from there also I got hundreds of questions. So my thinking little bit changed to prepare more better. That's what I can say from your course. Really, here I want to thank 2 people. One, Madam Vidya Vikram. So she only given the encouragement that we can start. Even in webinar also I asked, I am 60 plus, I have retired person, can I do it? Yeah. She was encouraged, anybody can do. If you are interested, you can learn and you can do it. So today, yesterday I posted in that Facebook group also. She also congratulated, and so many participants in that group, those who have taken her course, also appreciated me, congratulated. So I feel very happy. The second lady is Ria. So from her, I got so many inputs. Really, I have to thank you. And then third is my family, my son and my wife. They are my commenter. Whatever I'm doing, good or bad, they will comment. Because I also invited. So that I can correct. Outsider, better to comment my family than other outsider. So like I'm polishing myself, I'm enjoying the days. Simply I'm busy with complete day. So
I
this
love
is the
your
journey.
learning attitude. Never
Thank
stop
you.
learning attitude.
So all the time I'm interested. From childhood itself, I love books. I read so much books, and even I provided so many books to my kids. So even their teachers also used to ask me when they are studying. They studied in Delhi Public High School. So the teachers, whenever I'm going to parent meeting, they used to ask me, "What you are doing to your children? They are something different. Their spoken English or their attitude, their learning skill, both all the time. They also came first in school, and that's what
Wow.
I felt happy. So this is my story behind this.
Fantastic.
My English may not be very nice because basically I studied in Tamil medium only in Chennai. One subject is English, but after joining in the industry, speaking with the people, because everybody don't know the that language in Tamil or in Andhra, outsiders are coming. Even I discussed with the German people, even Japanese and UK, US people. So whenever Australian also, so they can't speak even our English. So I can deal with them. I got appreciation from them also. So these are the stories behind me.
Fantastic journey, really. And I'm excited for you because this is just the start of your journey. It's just going to get bigger and better. And whatever your mission is, I'm very, very confident you're going to achieve it.
Thank
So
you.
I would just like to end this interview with one last question, which
you.
is, what is your advice for people who are on this journey of launching their own online coaching business? Because many a times people start with, a lot of motivation, but then somewhere when the technicalities come in, or when the launching bit comes in, like the beta launch, people get scared. So if you have to give one piece of advice, what would that be for our viewers?
One thing, it is a big thing. First thing, we should have our willpower. Yes, I want to do, I will do. As I told, I don't know about so many things. So many things I learned from you. So I asked my son, don't hesitate to ask. If you want to do it. See, there will be hurdles. It will be difficult. Not everything will not be easy. But first thing you need is the willpower. Yes, if you want to do, you have to do it. See, today also this laptop camera, half an hour back, it was giving some blur. I thought, what happened? Camera, this laptop also very old. Immediately I called my son, asked, he told, "Nahi papa, camera may become very old." Okay, I will immediately order. So he is on the job. So I have to get the camera. Otherwise, I cannot conduct the class on this Saturday.
Right.
So then today from morning 10 o'clock till 3 o'clock, I sit on Canva only to make the presentation good and the material, to change the material. After 3 o'clock, just I had my lunch. So what we used to tell, confident, you should have the what English word I'm not getting. आपका ये चाहिए, मतलब करना है, करना है. वो जब तक
determination.
हाँ, yes, determination. जब तक determination रहेगा, करना है. See, even I felt before Saturday. You told Facebook, I even started group. I put the Facebook ad. I put the Facebook my group profile also, but no lead also came. So I thought, what to do? How we can do? So I thought myself, okay, still I have to learn so many weeks from you. I will get so many different ideas, and I know, yes, ad also can be given, but for ad we have to pay. I don't want to pay anything first. So for whatever, see. Then in your cold salto, you told cold, warm, hot leads. So that given my one idea, clicked an idea. So there are 600 contacts in my phone. There are different groups, total WhatsApp group. So I thought, okay, why can't we give the same thing, the Facebook ad in WhatsApp? So I given in WhatsApp. So WhatsApp only helped me. And later I created a form, everything. So registration came through WhatsApp. And in that last also I mentioned, you can please pass it to your friends also for their benefits. So those who came, not only my direct contact, my friends also joined. So determination is main thing. It will happen. We may fail, We should not, we may fall. What used to tell, bachpan mein batate sir, English. In childhood, I used to tell, even if the child fall down, again he will get up and walk. So unless you fall down, you can't walk.
Right.
So this is the thing, failure will be there, your determination, then how to solve the problem, how to come out with this problem. The solution will be there. So it may take little bit time. So don't give up. Don't give up. So you are, I thought that minimum 1 year, you told 1 year you have to do it. So at least to start. And so this is the startup. I will do this for 1 year. Even one student also there. Even in discussion in home, my son told, Papa, lead aisa nahi. If you give 1,000 people, then only 2 will come to you. Well, it organic lead. I understood. I learned so many things. Let me try. Then Sunday only I put the ad in my WhatsApp. So I got 5. My son told, Papa, 5 aa gaya. Then 10, 15, 20, 62 lead I received means my family members also wondered. I too wondered. Okay, 60 leads means at least 5 comes also I have to teach. I determined 5 comes also I have to teach. I have to spend my time. I have to prepare course, whatever this thing. That is thing. One more thing, Ria, what I understood is, first I thought I have to prepare all the material. I have to prepare all the videos. That is the one major thing I learned from your course, that everybody should know. What is the market in your, about your course in the market? So this is the what you told, sell the course before launching. That title I impressed. So I too thought how to sell this course without knowing, even though side by, because we are new to this line. So side by side, I kept the material ready. Even somebody joined, I have to give input. So side by side, I'm learning your course. I'm learning Vedic Max. Still, I'm learning further advanced, and I am preparing for my course also. So this is the way. One thing is a determination. You never give up. If you start, do it. Difficulties will be there. Find out the way. Come out of the way. Continue the life. This is one. This is the, you asked one line, but it's a big line.
Thank you so much for the beautiful lessons that you've taught, and I'm sure this video is going to motivate many people who are going to watch this. So thank you so much for your time.